Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Wafa Tech and Tricks, your digital learning hub where we talk about the latest in technology, innovation, and career growth. Today, we are diving into something super important, the top 5 skills you must learn in 2026 to future proof your career. Whether you are a student, job seeker, or just curious about where the world is heading, this video is your guide to staying ahead of the curve. So grab your notebook because these skills are not just trends, they are the foundation of the future. So let's start talking about them without wasting our time. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start with a skill that's literally transforming every industry: artificial intelligence and machine learning. From self driving cars to smart assistants like ChatGPT, AI is everywhere. In 2026, companies are not just looking for coders, they are looking for AI thinkers. People who understand how machines learn, predict, and make decisions. Learning AI doesn't mean you need a PhD. You can start small, learn Python, explore tools like TensorFlow, or take beginner courses online. Even understanding AI ethics and how algorithms work will give you a huge edge in tech jobs. You know what's the best part in this skill? You don't need a degree to start. You just need curiosity and consistency. Start small, build a simple chatbot, try an AI art generator, or explore how AI is changing your field. Remember, AI isn't here to replace people, it's here to upgrade people. Those who know how to work with AI will lead the next generation of innovation. So, if you want to start learning AI, don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Here's a simple roadmap. Step number one: learn basic programming. Start with Python, it's beginner friendly. Step number two: understand data. Learn how data is collected, cleaned, and analyzed. Step number three: explore beginner AI tools. Try TensorFlow, PyTorch, or even AI platforms that don't require coding like Google Teachable Machine. Step number four: stay updated, follow AI news, projects, and global tech leaders. So, if you have been wondering where to begin your 2026 learning journey, start with artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's not just a career choice, it's the language of future. Skill number two, a skill that's quietly becoming one of the most powerful in the world, which is data literacy and analytics. In simple words, data literacy means the ability to read, understand, and make decisions using data. It's not just about numbers, it's about stories hidden inside those numbers. Think about this. Every click you make online, every video you watch, every product you buy creates data. And that data helps companies understand what you love, what you need, and what you might do next. Ever wonder how Netflix suggests the perfect show or how YouTube knows what video you will watch next? That's data analytics in action, analyzing millions of patterns to predict your next move. In 2026, every industry, not just tech, depends on data. Businesses use it to plan strategies, schools use it to improve learning, governments use it to make policies, and content creators use it to grow their reach. So, if you can read data, analyze it, and turn it into insights, you instantly become valuable. It's like having a superpower that helps you see what others can't. Data is the new oil, but only if you know how to refine it. Now, how do you start learning this skill? Here's a simple roadmap that anyone, even beginners, can follow. Step number one: learn the basics of Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Understand its formulas, graphs, and pivot tables. Step number two: explore data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. This helps you create dashboards that make complex data easy to understand. Step number three: learn basic statistics, averages, trends, and patterns. You don't need to be a maths genius, just learn to interpret results. Step number 4, try Python for data analysis. Simple libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib help you play with real world data. In 2026, decisions are driven by data, not opinions. Whether you are in marketing, finance, or healthcare, or content creation, data tell you what's working and what's not. Alright, now that we have talked about data, let's talk about something just as important. Skill number 3 is cybersecurity and digital safety. In 2026, everything we do, from shopping and studying to working and banking, happens online. And where there is data, there are also risks. Cyber attacks, scams, phishing links, they are all getting smarter and harder to detect. Here's the fact: every 39 seconds, there is a new cyber attack somewhere in the world. That means by the time you finish the video, dozens of systems will already have been targeted. Scary, right? That's why cybersecurity has become one of the most in demand and high paying skills in the digital world. Companies are desperate for people who can protect their systems, secure customer data, and prevent leaks. But this skill isn't just for IT professionals. It's something every digital citizen needs to understand. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or a business owner, your digital safety matters. In the online world, safety is equal to success. So, how can you start learning cybersecurity? Here's your beginner roadmap. Step number 1, learn the basics, understand what malware, phishing are, and how to avoid them. Step number 2, practice strong password habits. Use password managers and two factor authentication. Step number 3, explore the free tools like VPNs, firewalls, and antivirus programs that protect your data. Step number 4, if you want to go deeper, take an ethical hacking course or try free platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box to safely learn penetration testing. And don't forget, it's not just about protecting your laptop. Your phone, social media, and cloud storage are all part of your digital identity. Always think before you click, download, or share. Let's take a break from the technical side and talk about something that no software or AI can replace: being human. Skill number 4 is emotional intelligence and communication. In 2026, companies are not just hiring smart people, they are hiring emotionally smart people. Those who can stay calm under pressure, handle conflict, and communicate clearly. See, the truth is, no matter how advanced technology gets, your ability to understand and connect with others will always be your biggest strength. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the skill of recognizing your own emotions, understanding others' feelings, and managing relationships effectively. It's what turns good employees into great leaders. And communication, that's the bridge. You might have the best ideas in the room, but if you can't express them clearly, they'll stay unheard. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are a developer working on a team project. There's a bug in the system and everyone's frustrated. A person with high EQ won't blame others. They will listen, analyze calmly, and help the team stay focused. That's leadership. That's emotional intelligence in action. People don't remember how fast you fixed a problem. They remember how you made them feel while fixing it. Now, the good news is you can train your emotional intelligence just like any other skill. So, if you want to stand out in 2026, don't just learn to code or analyze data. Learn to understand people, because technology can make things work, but only empathy can make them matter. And finally, let's talk about the skill that connects all the others together, the one that keeps your career alive no matter how much the world changes. Skill number 5 is adaptability and lifelong learning. The truth is, the world isn't just changing, it's evolving at lightning speed. New AI tools, new technologies, new careers, and that means the only way to stay relevant is to keep learning. The moment you stop learning, it means you stop growing. Adaptability means being flexible when things don't go as planned, learning new tools, trying new ideas, and not being afraid of change. In 2026, employers value people who can adjust quickly to new situations more than anything else. Just look at how fast the job market is shifting. 5 years ago, nobody talked about AI prompt engineers, data storytellers, or cybersecurity analysts. Now, these are some of the hottest careers, and they all came from new technologies. Always stay curious, learn something new every day, whether it's a coding language, a creative tool, or just how to communicate better. And you know what's the best part here? You don't have to master everything at once. Just take one small step every week, read a new article, watch a tutorial, or try a new tool. Over time, these small steps turn into massive progress. You know what? In a fast changing world, learners become leaders. So, in 2026, remember this: your degree might open doors, but your ability to keep learning will keep them open. Adaptability isn't just about surviving the future, it's about shaping it. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Afar Tech and Tricks for more tech insights and future career tips. And tell me in the comments which of these 5 skills are you planning to learn first. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye bye.